Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to transfer USDC from your Trust wallet to Gemini in 2025, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but it's always good to double-check everything for security. USDC is a stablecoin that's super popular for its stability, and moving it between wallets like Trust Wallet and Gemini can help you manage your crypto more effectively. Let's dive in step by step. First things first, make sure you have both Trust Wallet and a Gemini account set up. You'll need to have some USDC in your Trust Wallet and verify your identity on Gemini if you haven't already. Security is key in crypto, so always use two-factor authentication. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app on your phone or access it via the web. Navigate to your USDC wallet by selecting the asset from your dashboard. You'll see your balance there. Double-check that you have enough to cover any network fees. Step 2. Tap on the Send button for USDC. This will prompt you to enter the recipient's address. Now, switch over to your Gemini account. Log in, go to your wallet section, and find your USDC deposit address. Gemini might require you to select the specific network, like Ethereum, since USDC often runs on it. Step 3. Copy the Gemini deposit address carefully, never type it manually to avoid errors. Paste it into the recipient field in Trust Wallet. Then, enter the amount of USDC you want to transfer. Remember, transactions aren't instant, so factor in some time for confirmation. Step 4. Review everything on the confirmation screen. Check the address, amount, and fees one last time. If it all looks good, hit Send and confirm with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometrics. Once the transfer is complete, head back to Gemini and refresh your account. You should see your USDC deposited shortly. If it doesn't show up, don't panic. Just check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. A few quick tips. Always use the correct network to avoid lost funds, and keep an eye on gas fees if you're on Ethereum. In 2025, crypto regulations might have changed, so stay updated with the latest from both Trust Wallet and Gemini. And there you have it. That's how you transfer USDC from Trust Wallet to Gemini. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.